seeing the excitement of kids when they were able to explore science and technology in a creative way. Really get messy, get creative, and create something new. I'm Lauren.
I'm Jen.
And we're Design Hive.
Design Hive is a process, art, and technology workshop.
Not this just sort of learn the facts and take the test way, but we offer hands-on workshops, camps, parties, and events for little kids all the way to grandma.
Lauren and I have known each other for over 10 years, and we have a combined 25 plus years of teaching experience.
We started Design Hive as this sort of idea of maybe we want to make our own school. How can we do the type of learning that we believe in a school setting? Over the years and trying different endeavors, we kept in contact. And finally, in February 2020, it was the right time for us to get together and start Design Hive.
Great, thank you.
Some of our most popular workshops are our Smart House project. This is where kids will plan, design, engineer a house. We can even program it to have working lights and doors and all sorts of things. So it's again a combination of art and design, but technology and engineering as well. We have an LED wand project. We build out a circuit using some silly material like straws and ping pong balls, and ultimately the kids end up having their own working wand, and they learned how to build a circuit in creating that.
We love our workshop, and being able to bring innovative programs to kids and adults, we're really passionate about it, and it keeps us going.